Hi guys, and a massive warm welcome back to the channel. If this is the sort of content you do enjoy, please don't forget to subscribe. So today we're going to try out some of the GTECHNIQ range that I was kindly sent by them. As you'll see, I'm just turning the water on, getting the jet wash ready. This is the Arva P57 Easy. Probably one of my favourite jet washes. There is a review on the channel, please do check it out. But this is my son's Vauxhall Corsa. So let's see the lineup that we're going to be working with today. First up we got citrus foam, G-wash, iron removing fallout wheel cleaner, citrus pre-wash, ceramic sealant, 2 buckets with grit guards and camera lids, a microfiber wash mitt and a drying towel. Now the instructions say 1 inch in the bottom of your foam cannon, but because it's a smaller car I went with 50ml of product to 450ml of water in the Arva Premium Foam Lance. This is something you won't see very often, me putting shampoo in a bucket. I'm normally a lance applied kind of guy, but it does say 4 capfuls to a full bucket. Froth him up with your jet wash, and then we're going to throw in a new wash mitt. So as always, we're going to start off with the wheels and the tyres because they are normally the dirtiest part of the car. So we're just going to go in with the citrus pre-wash neat on the tyres, and we're going to agitate it with a Vicon brush. So now we've given the tyres initial one hit, we're going to go in with the iron and fallout wheel cleaner. We're going to hit the tyres again, and then we're going to cover it in a nice thick blanket of citrus foam. And then we're going to agitate this with the EZ barrel brush and the Vicon brush again. So now all 4 wheels and tyres are clean, we're going to go in with the all-purpose citrus cleaner. As you'll see, I'm spraying it all over the vehicle. I'm using it neat, I'm not diluting it down. You could use it 1 to 5 or 1 to 10, but this car is pretty bad, so I've gone in neat. After I've finished spraying this, I'm going to blanket it all off with the citrus foam as a double whammy. So this is where it all went downhill. As you see, I left the foam on and the citrus all-purpose cleaner on for around about 5 minutes and rinse off. And it made no difference at all. Here I am just rubbing the vehicle and you can see how much dirt is not come off with these products. And I know you're never going to get your car 100% clean just using a contactless wash. It's not going to happen. But I was just expecting a little bit more from these products. So before I go in with a contact wash, I wanted to try out this fallout remover, see if anything would come off. Being a white car, it is going to glow purple, and that it did. You can see some serious iron fallout reaction happening all over the car, even on the wing mirror caps. So this that I'm spraying all over the car is G-Wash. Yes, I did put it in a bucket, but I also wanted to see how it foamed up in the lance. And I actually liked this shampoo, both in a lance and a bucket. Teamed up with this wash mitt, it glided over the paintwork, nice, soft and fluffy, and it smelt really nice. So all in all, I will be using this again. So what you didn't see here was I actually used their ceramic sealant as a drying aid along with their microfiber towel. Now I absolutely love both of them. They work so well together. This towel is probably one of my favorites. It's not a big plush thing, it's just simple and effective along with the ceramic sealant. The car to this day is still really glossy, super hydrophobic, and still looks great.
Many hours later.
And there you have it, guys. Gone is the dirt and grime, and hello to the shine and gloss. As you'll see, this white Corsa has gone full circle and has come out absolutely brilliant. I'd like to say a big thank you to GTECHNIQ for sending me out the product. More importantly, thank you guys for watching. I do really appreciate all your continued support. Please don't forget to share, like and subscribe. Don't forget, I will catch you on the next one. Take care. Ta-ra.